Hi everyone, I did two different versions of cakes. The version one was the light and tall cake. It's right here, and I creamed the butter with the sugar when I was making it. And the second one is the moist and tender cake, and I did not cream the butter. And when I look at the version one, it's definitely more airy and it's lighter in my hands than the version 2 one. This one is more dense and it's harder to squish, especially the crust. Whereas this crust, the version 1 crust, is much more velvety. Like I can touch it, it's really soft, even like the crust. But here, this one is not. But both of their interior crust is, I think, very soft. I will taste as the version 1 first. I think it's really nice and soft. However, this version 2 is much more wet. I can feel the moisture and it's much more tender. It crumbles very much easily in my mouth as well. And as you saw in the pictures, the version 1 cake was much taller. And this shows a lot about what went really good in the cooking process. I think I was good at creaming the butter with the sugar, which really helped me to get a significantly higher cake because it incorporated air bubbles into the fat and provided me with a really high cake, and it's maximum cake in terms of volume. So that went well. However, if I changed my cooking process next time, I would definitely get a bake even strip and use it, because maybe you also saw in the pictures is that edges of both of my cakes cooked faster than the center, and therefore then when the cake was fully cooked, small parts of the edges were a little bit overcooked. They had like a darker color. However, I'm so happy because as you can see in each of my cakes, this is a version 2 and this is the version 1, none of them really impact the interior of my cakes. So yeah, I think creaming the butter is an important step in making the cake, because I definitely like, especially the crust of this one, version 1, much better. And this is a great recipe. I hope you get to try it as well.